Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Quick midday update. It's a little past midday, and I wanted to just continue on with what I showed you in last night's video because that's what's happening right now. And, you know, it's really important to get this information out to you guys. So, in last night's video, by the way, this is video 2892 coming at you on Thursday for Trading Thursday into Thursday night Friday. So, please remember how risky trading is. Risky, but let me get to this. In last night's video, I mentioned that we had a secondary flag projection because the first one was hit. And I mentioned that if we need the second one, if we hit the first one, I'll offer you the second. So we hit the first projection, boom, down here, and it went up for 2 days. And after yesterday's insane bar, I offered out the secondary bear flag projection, 5400, 5395 ESM, June E-mini. Well, here's where we were when we offered the projection last night, and let's see what's going on right now. By the way, that projection is all the way down here. Let me show it to you. That projection is all the way down here. Now let's see what's happening. Look at that. It's on its way, kids. I think we're going to get there. That's what this video is for. It looks like we're going to get to this projection. It's on its way now. Remember, when these projections were created, we were up here in the 57 area when we broke the flag. Got our first projection, and now we're hitting the secondary. So these were made at the 57 level. It might not seem like anything now that we're getting there 54, but these projections were made back then. The flag is working, and I wanted to show you that. And it looks like it's on its way down, and I think it's going to try to get there today or into tonight, tomorrow. So quick update. I hope this helps you. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm in my live trading room right now. It's absolutely free to you. So come on down. No credit cards are required. I'm on camera and microphone in that room. And it's simple. It's at livewithoscar.com. Just join. If you do join, if you've never been here before, you're going to answer just a couple of quick questions and hit the send button. It's going to send you an email. That email is going to go to spam. Check in your spam, click the email back, and join me in my live trading room. In fact, I am there right now while I'm doing this video for you. One of the cameras is on. The other one would be this one, but I'm using it for the video. So come join me, and we'll get through these crazy markets together. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Please like and share these videos and leave your comments. Do you think we're going to reach this projection? Do you think that will be all we're going to get? Leave your comments below. As you know, I will answer your comments. Traders, thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Please be safe out there. Trail your stops and think about if we get down to 5,400, what you need to do about it. Good luck trading.